Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll be showing you how my do-it-yourself Air Operated Shock Dyno works. There's a cylinder that I pump air into. It pushes the shock up. I normally push it up about 50 mils. I have that load cell there, Zemic load cell. It's a 300 kilogram capacity. That little red valve there that puts air in, and then I pull it the other way, it releases it, so the shock can come back down again for the rebound. So the cable goes from there along and then up to this little breadboard here. That's a INA 125P amplifier, just to amplify the signal from the load cell. It goes into this Picaxe board. It's a 20M2 board. And then from there it goes into the Picaxe editor, which you can download off the internet, and that's just basically what I get. That's just a sample run that I did, just to give you an idea of how it works. But I will be doing a full shock test later on, so please keep a lookout for that.